First, let's get to know the hinge parts. The one on the right is a hinge. In the middle is a base plate and hex screw. On the left is the door frame. When you receive the goods fit, the base plate are usually already installed on the door frame. As you can see, this position screw can facilitate us to align the position of the screw hole and facilitate our installation. Now let's lock the hex screws. These 6 fixed screws are stressed, and the 3 fixed screws on the same side should be slightly loosened before adjustment. When you clockwise the screw, the gap will increase. When you anti-clockwise the screw, the gap will reduce. Now you can see the gap increased. Do the same with the screws below.